Good morning, dear students. Today we will revise the chapter of literature When Wishes Comes True. When Wishes Comes True is a story written by Rabindranath Tagore, who was the most eminent literary figure in India as a poet, critic, essayist, painter, composer, short story writer, and novelist. In this story, Tagore tells us about a father and his son who have strange wishes and how their wishes come true. This is a story about a father named Subal and his son named Sushil. The duo had one unusual thing in common. They were opposite to what their names suggested. Sushil's meaning calm and docile was a bouncy little late. His childish behavior was evident from the many ways he troubled the neighbors with his small acts of mischief. On the contrary, his father, Subal, which means strong, was enfeebled by his age, and rheumatism, which means pains in joints and muscles. The father did not quite like the son's tendency for antics, which some in the neighborhood found quite annoying. Sushil was too agile, which means able to move quickly and easily for his father, and could easily slip away to avoid the action of hitting from his enraged father. But once in a while he got caught and had to face his father's anger. It was a Saturday. School started in the morning and got over by 2 p.m. Sushil lays in his bed deep in his sleep. Sushil found the call of school very unpleasant. He had two reasons to feel so. First, he sulked at the idea of writing the geography test scheduled for that day. Second, the preparations for the fireworks at the house of his neighbor Bose during the day were too exciting for him to miss. The sight and sound of fireworks were to set the sky shining in the evening the same day. Sushil wanted to avoid going to school. He pretended sickness of stomach and lay in bed. He tried to find to be excused from school. But Subal was not the least convinced. He saw through the trick of his absentee son. He planned his counter move.